Well, viewers, the last few days have been horrifying for Hindus in Bangladesh. Hundreds of Hindu homes have been vandalized. Businesses of Hindus have been targeted and burned down. Temples have come under attack, forcing devotees to take shelter and live in fear. The situation was so grave that the Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus, who has taken oath as the head of an interim government in Bangladesh, admitted the attack on minorities and appealed for peace. The outrage against targeted attack on Hindus is growing. A massive gathering of Hindus was also witnessed in Bangladesh's Chittagong in protest against the attack on Hindu community. A protest was also staged in London by Hindus from different parts of the world living in the UK. They raised their voice in solidarity with the Hindus of Bangladesh and demanded that they be granted protection.
So I demand to the interim government to amendment the constitution. The constitution said this is Muslim country, but in our freedom war, we did everyone. We fought for our country, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, everybody. So we want the amendment that this should be our country, not Muslim country.
We are gathered here because in Bangladesh for last couple of 5-6 days, people are torturing, burning our houses. Hindus, Christians, minorities' houses are burned. Our brothers have been killed, our mothers have been killed. They are looting our houses, they are burning our houses, our churches, our temples. We want justice for Bangladesh. We are citizens of Bangladesh and we want to stay in Bangladesh. They cannot take, these Islamists, the fundamentalists, they cannot take our country and they cannot deport us from Bangladesh.
Well, the plight of Hindus in Bangladesh has also triggered a political war in India, with the BJP questioning the silence of the top Congress and India bloc leaders, including the Gandhis. The UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma trained guns at the opposition leaders, accusing them of being tight-lipped on the atrocities being committed against Hindus because of vote bank reasons.
जिन लोगों के मन में ये कोई भाव नहीं कि दुनिया के किसी कोने में कोई हिंदू प्रताड़ित हो रहा है तो उसके प्रति आवाज उठा सके, क्योंकि उसमें भी उन्हें लगता है कि अगर हम आवाज उठाएंगे तो कहीं उनका वोट बैंक न खिसक जाए। याद रखना, जो बांग्लादेश में हो रहा है, जो चर्चाएं हो रही थी अभी, वहां 90% जो हिंदू बचा है वह दलित समुदाय से है। और मैं इसीलिए कहना चाहूंगा, ये जो सबके मुंह सिले हुए हैं, इसलिए सिले हुए हैं क्योंकि इनके मालूम है कि बांग्लादेश को हिंदू उनका वोटर नहीं होगा।
प्रियंका गांधी और कांग्रेस जो परिवार है, उन्होंने गाजा के लिए कितना बार ट्वीट किया है। अब पूरा तमाम जो कांग्रेस और उनका इकोसिस्टम को देखिए कि गाजा के लिए कितना हंगामा किया। बांग्लादेश का हिंदू के लिए ये कांग्रेस लोग कितना बार ट्वीट किया, कितना बार धरना प्रदर्शन किया। आज जो कांग्रेस है, उन्होंने प्रूफ कर दिया कि दुनिया में कहीं भी मुसलमानों का तकलीफ होगा तो हम हैं, लेकिन हिंदू का तकलीफ है हम नहीं है। हम खाली हिंदू का बीच में, हिंदू को जातियों में तोड़ने का काम ही हमारा मकसद है।
So there are several incidents that have come to light from Bangladesh where Hindu community has been targeted, their homes have been burned down, and now politics over the same playing out. In fact, the BJP has now taken